equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential maintenance steps for your HP 17cw003ns laptop. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and thermal paste. These tools will help you perform a thorough maintenance check. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. Start by using the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This is crucial for preventing overheating. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. Gently press down on the RAM sticks to ensure they are seated properly. If you notice any dust on the connectors, use the microfiber cloth to clean them. This simple step can significantly improve your laptop's performance. Now, let's move on to the thermal paste. If your laptop is running hot, it might be time to replace the thermal paste on the CPU. Carefully remove the heatsink by unscrewing it, and clean off the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste evenly on the CPU before reattaching the heatsink. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. After reassembling the laptop, ensure all screws are tightened properly. It's important to double-check that everything is in place before powering it back on. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to assist you with any concerns you may have. Finally, once your laptop is back together, power it on and monitor its performance. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device and keep it running smoothly. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to maintain your laptop without the hassle. By following these steps, you can ensure your HP 17cw003ns laptop remains in top condition for years to come. Happy maintaining. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.